This pug is not normal. Mr. Noodles the pug smelled trouble before he saw it. Boom! His best friend Whiskers the cat had turned into a giant glowing monster. People screamed, cars crashed, but Mr. Noodles, he charged forward. Dodging claws, sliding under paws, he leapt onto the monster's back. Whiskers, remember the treats! Mr. Noodles yanked the glowing collar and barked their secret tune. Flash! The monster vanished. Whiskers was back, confused, fluffy, safe. The city cheered. Mr. Noodles snorted proudly. Never underestimate a pug.